I always think about it as like a place needs to be Instagrammable. Something that happens often in Medellin, they don't really know how to do photos, they don't really know how to do marketing, so they've undersold this place, which is why it's not sold yet, but it's probably going to be sold soon. Check this out. You can come out here for some sunbathing or sunbaking, sun tanning, and check out the view. All right, guys, this is the scene of the first viewing. Laurel Living in Laureles. It's just opposite Pergamino. Franco, you want to get a shot of that? If you don't know what Pergamino is, it's a very famous coffee chain here. Some say, not me, but some say it's the best in Medellin. What do you think?
It's up there.
You like Hija Mia better?
I do, yeah.
Okay, so we're just waiting for the client. Obviously, we're here in Laureles. This is, you can hear it, nice, quiet area to live. It's really a lifestyle purchase if you want to buy here, in my opinion. You know, if you're looking for investment or something like that with a high ROI, you're looking more in Poblado, but a lot of people love this because it's, you know, less tourists, more of an authentic vibe, quiet, peaceful, as you can see. And you're going to see how some of the apartments are pretty sick as well. But we're just waiting on the client. As soon as he gets here, we're going to go inside. Man, this is a nice view.
It's very peaceful.
It is peaceful. You know what the funny thing is, man? Did you ever see this view in the photos?
Maybe.
No.
No?
No. So they missed some very important details which are very good for selling.
Oh, right.
This side as well.
No, this definitely looks better in person than
Beautiful.
in the photos,
Yeah.
which is complete opposite of what you usually get. All right, check out
Oh,
that better.
beautiful. Look at the bathroom, man.
Yeah, man.
Jesus. Guys,
Turn the light on.
this is sick. You know you made it when you got a seat in your bathroom.
You never know what you're gonna do.
That's pretty cool. Wow. The shower's like built into the roof. Have you seen that before?
No.
Me neither. The sun's coming from this side, which we're blocked off. There's no windows there, so that's cool. That's good. You want something that's north or south usually because you don't get
as much
heat. Yeah.
But I like to see kind of materials. Like this is cool shit.
Yeah. This fridge, my wife has this fridge in our kitchen. This is her most prized possession.
Really?
It doesn't look like much, but it's very expensive.
Really?
She has the big one though.
Okay, why is it so expensive?
Something that happens often in Medellin, they don't really know how to do photos, they don't really know how to do marketing, so they've undersold this place, which is why it's not sold yet, but it's probably going to be sold soon, because we're going to be doing a vertical walkthrough. Franco, can you do that after this? And then we're going to get it up on our Instagram. But this place is really everything that you need for somebody who's wants to rent it out as well when you're not here, because as you can see, it has that wow factor, you know. So I love this place. What do you think, Franco?
I think it's amazing.
It's cool.
Very unique.
It's cool. That view is
and I love it. Yeah, I like it a lot. Location as well.
Uh-huh.
Hey, where did you come from?
From Australia.
Australia.
Melbourne, yeah.
Nice.
Came here to visit for 2 weeks, and then I was like, fuck, I'm going to live here.
Yeah.
This happens to all of us, eh?
Yeah, it does. Well, somehow it took me 3 years, but okay.
You got 2 bedrooms downstairs. You got 1 upstairs.
I love that it has a gas on top.
Yeah. Dishwasher.
Utility,
You don't see in most places.
When they say not furnished, they don't mean they're going to take the washer dryer.
So usually what comes in an apartment is everything that's impossible to remove. Like this, hard to remove. This,
Okay.
hard to remove. But washer and dryer, they'll take. Fridge,
They
they'll
will
take.
take it.
Yeah, they'll take it. So yeah, the price on this one is about 240 grand. But it does have that discount because it doesn't have the balcony, you know?
Yeah.
But that being said, it has views from every window if you want to see. You got the view of the mountains from here, from upstairs too, and from the next bedroom. So this one is 166 square meters. Basically the same size as the first one we saw. 3 bedroom, 4 bathroom. And this one is 5.8 million a square meter.
Okay.
And the reason why it's cheaper is because this is an older building, right? Maybe 20 years old, the building, but it's freshly remodeled. Like it just finished maybe 4 months ago. I would probably put the office somewhere here with a nice aircon. You got the natural light from this little skylight as well. The location is good too. I don't know if you knew where you are with the taxi, but you can probably walk to Second Park in like 5 minutes from here.
Okay.
You know where that is?
No, I don't.
Segundo Parque is basically the area with a lot of restaurants and cafes and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
5-minute walk from here.
Yeah, like right in the center of the circle.
Exactly. So if you furnish this nicely, it'd probably be a cool rental as well, since it's good for the digital nomad crowd. I think this is a perfect one for somebody who doesn't care about balcony.
Yes.
And to be honest, a lot of the clients we get, they say the first thing, what do you want? Balcony. So for those people, it's out. But if someone who doesn't really care about the balcony, maybe someone who's out most of the day doing stuff, this could be a good one.
Part of me is wondering if the reason I'm not liking this as much is because I'm not seeing it furnished. And like that can...
Do you know how you can fix that situation? AI. You can put it, yeah, you can put it into AI and say furnish it, couch there, blah, blah, and it furnishes it for you.
Can you send me an app? That
Yeah. We can do it for you if you want.
Yeah, I would love
AI this, so we have a TV here and we have a couch here, so we can see what it looks like. And the cool thing is, like, if you have a couch here, right, watching TV, you've got these nice high ceilings, which is pretty rare as well in Medellin. ¿Cómo estás? All right, so we are in Castropol, which a lot of people don't know about this area. They look on the map and they're like, where is this place? But it's actually about 5 minutes or less drive from areas like Manila, Provenza. So it's a really cool spot, but also really quiet. You're gonna see from the apartment that you almost can't hear anything. You got nice views, but it's very residential, cool spot, but also very close to everything that you could want in Medellin. Ivo,
Hola,
¿qué más?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? ¿Todo bien?
Tú, hola.
Ivo, ese es Charles.
Mucho gusto.
Y tú sabes, tú conoces Franco, ¿cierto?
Wow.
You like open living rooms?
Yes, I do.
There you go. And you already have your workspace ready?
Yes, I do.
And this one, he's very open to selling it furnished, which can be done in the negotiation. So you have no balcony here, but you have this. It's called a Juliet balcony. You know, like Romeo and Juliet?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's that. Nice view. Got the garden view here as well, which is something different. Granite countertops. This is all remodeled by Ivo. And look, here's the cat. Coco. This could be your office maybe. We got the office there anyway, but you got a nice view here.
Yeah, that's nice.
This is more traditional style. There was walls here, blah, 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 blah. He took everything out and make it full open living. Yeah, so this is the apartment at nighttime. He was just saying that you got to come back and check it out at nighttime. Beautiful.
Yeah, no, it looks amazing.
Super cool. When Charlie's done here, we'll go up to the top and we'll have a look at the terrace, because the terrace has, imagine this view, but like 5 floors higher and just like kind of 360. Nice. So this is something that comes in a lot of apartments here in Medellin, which is you get a social area where you can come up here and have like a kid's birthday party or your own birthday party or even a meeting or whatever. And so they have a little kitchen area here, so you can hire someone like a private chef to cook. Bathrooms here, so everything's in the same location. And check this out. You can come out here for some sun bathing or sun baking, sun tanning, and check out the view. Amazing, huh? Yeah. If you like the look of this, you think this looks pretty fun, and you're ready to buy something in Medellin in 30 days or less, then fill out the form that's linked in the description of this video. We can ask you a couple of questions to make sure you're good to go. And if you are, you can be hanging out with me exactly like this, and we can find you something to buy in Medellin. All right, we are here now, the final apartment of the day. Well, actually, second final apartment. This is one of my favorite areas in the whole of Medellin, actually, but definitely in the whole of Poblado. This is probably my favorite location. This is an area called Diamante. It's near the border of Envigado, and it's peaceful, tranquil, but still only 10 minutes maybe drive, or even shorter, from Provenza. But let's have a look. First, I want to show you this and show you how green and beautiful it is here. First, you can see the view out there. But check out this area. All we have is trees. No noise at all. Completely quiet, and that's what I like. I like a peaceful, nice place. So this one we have is a duplex. So let's go through here and let's check out the kitchen. Completely remodeled. This building's about 20 years old, but everything's been remodeled 2 years ago. Kitchen, brand new. 2 years old. You can do the dishes and check out the beautiful skyline of Medellin. And one thing you can't see, but we'll let you see now, is if we can open this, see. See?
Tranquilo. No lo vayas a editar. Nada, déjalo tranquilo.
Tú dijiste duro. Well, the view is good.
The view is very, very nice.
Yo subo esta, tranquilo.
This is how you do it.
Voy a subir esta.
She said do it hard. Too strong. It'd be funny if she breaks that one as well.
Esto era un balconcito antes.
Check out the left over there, Franco.
Más por- okay,
Sí.
entonces,
Y
There we go.
compré
Nice one.
para-
You got these high ceilings that you like, the wooden ones. And here is the master, or the primary bedroom, remodeled. And you got this view.
What a beautiful view, though.
Peaceful area.
Very nice.
This was the last one in terms of living. Now we just got one more, which is the rental one.
Right.
Because you wanted to see a rental as well, since you
Let's go.
want to buy, you want to rent, you kind of want to do everything. So that's the last one.
Let's go.
Yeah, I feel bad about the window. Guys, we are now in the neighborhood of El Poblado called, the section of El Poblado called Patio Bonito. And this one is actually Andrew's #1 pick for the next one that's gonna boom. So Manila is the one that's already boomed. He thinks this one is gonna be like the next Manila. So we're looking at an investment project today. This one's called Mixa, has some great amenities and stuff. And we have an apartment for sale in here that we're gonna be showing very soon. Damn, nice view.
The apartment is great.
Nice balcony, nice size balcony too.
How is this different in yours, right?
Okay. Good view.
You're, what's his brother or?
Andrew's brother.
Dude, I'm freaking just the same. I thought that was you.
All right, guys, this is the rooftop of the Mixa building. We just saw the apartment down there. We actually met with one of the guys in the video. He owns 2 of them, on the 11th floor and the 13th floor. The one we just saw was on the 12th floor. The 2 that he has, he's renting out for $200 a night. So crunch your numbers and see how much money that makes. But that being said, let's check this out, some of these amenities. Look at the pool here. You got a pool with a view of basically the whole of Medellin, let's call it. They're not completely finished because this is a brand new apartment building, and this is the perfect spot for a daily rental because, you know, you think about people coming out here. I always think about it as like a place needs to be Instagrammable. They want to take photos, take videos, post it on Instagram and boast to their friends. And something like this, like imagine working out from here in the morning and looking at this view. So beautiful place. Once again, guys, hope you had fun following me and Franco through most of Medellin today, checking out some apartments. If you want some help finding an apartment of your own to buy, link in description, fill it out. I'll contact you personally and let's find you something. Thanks, Franco.
Cheers.